Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to draw a flower pot in SolidWorks. So let's get started. This is our dimensions, different dimensions of this flower pot. So let's started uh, SolidWorks, then create new file, and then okay. Set a front plane, and sketch on it. So sketch center line from the origin vertically and horizontally. Zoom out, just take bigger. Now let's take outer shell of this flower pot. To draw this outer shell of flower pot, we use splines. Click here, draw like this. Okay. Now uh, line from here to this point and this point to this point. Escape. Now let's define it. First we have between these 2 points we have 200 mm and these 2 points 75 mm. So we have small dimension from this point to this line we have 200 mm, and between these 2 points we have 75 mm. And now the radius of this we have 60, and between these 2 points we have 32 and 70 mm distance. From here to here we have 60 mm radius, and between these 2 points we have 70 mm, and between these 2 points we have 32. So here we have 32 mm. Okay, now let's take the whole length of this flower pot is 300 mm. Zoom out, and this is also 50. Now look, our sketch is defined. Now go to the feature and revolve command. uh, Axis of revolution, give this as an revolution of axis. Now look this. Okay, this is outer shell of our flower pot. Now take right plane and then sketch it. Normal, draw a center line from this origin. Okay, now use spline from point here like this. Okay, now let's define. This is our 70 mm, and this is this distance we have 16.5 mm, and between these two lines, these 2 points we have 20 mm distance. Length of this line is default. Okay, now sketch is fully defined. Let's now escape, go to the feature, and here we see shift command. We have to do circular profile with 40 mm dia. Okay, now look, choose the path, this path. Now we see and make here options align with face. This is how to align with face this spline. Now click on OK. Now let's do multiple profile. To draw multiple profile, we have circular pattern. We have click on feature, this face, and the direction we give this. Okay, here we see our this face is multiple. Now here the item numbers we have per number of items. So let's click on OK. Now we see here the flower pot is ready. Now we make here hollow, so we have to use here shell on this face about 1 mm. Okay, show preview. Now here this is going to preview this shell. We can increase this shell 2 mm. Okay, now and then click on OK. Here our flower pot is ready. Now make some fillet on it, on the face. Fillet about 10 mm, no, 5 mm. Okay, this, choose these multiple lines, not the face but line. Okay, now click on OK. It takes some time. So now we use flex command. To use flex command, we go to insert, feature, and then flex. We have to twist this face about 90 mm. Now we see here our profile is twisted about 90 degrees. So let's click then OK. It takes some time. Okay, now our flower pot is ready. Now assign some colors. What do you like? I assign here red color. Okay, and then click on OK. Here we see the flower pot is ready. By comparing this, Okay, that's in flower pots. Okay, now this is it. Thank you.